friend Jami and welcome to my channel Random Fun by Jami. Today I am going to show you how to make this non-Newtonian fluid. This is a thing that when you put a pressure on it, it hardens, but when you release the pressure, it becomes liquid again, like this. It becomes hardened like this and liquid. It gets liquid. Okay, so let's begin making this. First, we'll need a bowl to make this, and we'll need some corn flour. First, pour the corn flour on the bowl. Okay, now we'll need some water. I colored this water, but if you don't want to color it, that's also fine. Okay, first pour 1 tablespoon of water and stir it. Pour again. And do the same thing until you got a texture like this. Okay. If you make it too thin, it won't work. So I am adding some more corn flour. I made it too thin. I like it more thicker, so I am adding a little bit more. And stir it well. If you want more darker color, you can pour the color on this mixture. I will put a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Now stir it well. You can stir it with spoon, but I am now stirring it with my hand because it's easier to stir with your hand. Mix the color evenly. Okay, I mixed my color and your non-Newtonian fluid is ready. It's like this. You can do it like this. You can knead it like this. It will be solid, and when you release it, it's liquid. Like this. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And consider to like the video and share with your friends and family. Bye. See you next time.